Welcome to the channel. I'm your Doodle Dragon. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this Tetris inspired birthday card for my dad's birthday, and his card is a great big Tetris inspired cupcake with a single candle on top. First, I wanted to show you how I made the grid, and I used a 1/4 sized piece of paper. So I took a piece of paper and cut it in half and then folded that in half. So that's to give you kind of a perspective. You could do any size you want, but I did this half piece of paper into a 1/4 page size front of a card and used that 1 centimeter square. And I just want to sort of let you see how I structured it in the first place before I do the outlining for you. So I'll just let you watch and enjoy as I draw for my dad and for you. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. And if there's something you'd like to see me draw, feel free to leave that in the comments.